Hello ladies and gentlemen, now let's talk some serious DeFi projects that will absolutely explode in 2022, and we're going to talk about 3 DeFi projects today, which I really have my eyes set on because I believe in the vision and I believe in the direction of these cryptocurrencies. Now let's just celebrate this short-term little pump as well with Bitcoin, because this is amazing and we've bounced perfectly off of this support level at 37.4k. We were saying we cannot break 37.2 because if we do, we're going to come lower, and right now we're just back above that 20-day moving average, so things are looking super juicy. Anyhow, let's get started with the top 3 DeFi projects for 2022 that I think will absolutely explode. So let's get on with it. The first one is actually going to be a low market cap gem. Now, I found this one through a bit of research, just basically going through a lot of different pages, and here we have it. So it's a beautiful project. Defy Coins, join the future of algorithmic crypto trading strategies. The Defy Coin protocol is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade. We've got reflection, LP, acquisition, and burn. So it's really nice, simple website. I really like as well that you can navigate the how to buy sections. You're going to get different reviews of other cryptocurrency projects. You've got ambassadors over here, referral programs as well, and there's also a staking section which I will show you a little bit later on because it's very important that you know this exists. And they've got a beautiful little roadmap. So expected 10k holders by Q3 of 2022, $10 million expected liquidity by Q3 of 2022 as well. So it's community driven, automatic liquidity pairs, RFI static rewards, so holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of DeFi coin grow indefinitely. And also there's usage scenarios, so DeFi coin will also offer an option to participate in the exchange of collectibles on the platform. We will have a section for NFTs that users can trade for DeFi coin as well. You can choose to keep these NFTs if you own or trade them on DeFi CoinSwap. Lots of places you can currently buy it. We've got a centralized exchange over here, Bitmark. So I'm sure that they're looking to release on Binance, you know, Robinhood, Coinbase, and all the other huge exchanges out there. So far, we're in the January to March. That's all been done and dusted now, and now we're moving into the March to May section of their roadmap. So launch DeFi Swap version 1, featuring swap, earn, farming, staking, lower transaction fees, which is really nice. High staking rewards, including a liquidity pool is there, so it's really good for DeFi degens that want to provide some liquidity and actually earn money over a long period of time through yield farming and staking. Fly. So launch DeFi Swap version will also feature technical analysis, video analysis, webinars. So it's also going to have an element of education too. As we move into May, July 2022, DeFi Swap version 3 will feature research, forum, crypto signals, interactive charts, market data, much more. And then leading into the end of the year, there'll be some charitable events as well. Defy Coin will employ 3 simple functions: reflection and LP acquisition. Burn in each trade. The transaction is tagged at 10% fee, which is split 2 ways. And they also have a white paper if you want to check it out over here. So it's actually pumping. It really is pumping, and it's just made huge moves over the last few days. We can see DeFi coin price rises 175% in a day. Now that's pretty incredible. DEFC price is up over 175% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.23 on Bitmark exchange. There is likely to be little selling pressure as DFC has already retraced 98% from its $4 all-time high in July 2021. Well, let me show you why that does not matter. I want to show you why a 98% correction doesn't matter in the world of cryptocurrency. In fact, it makes me just more bullish, and it's giving me even more reason to load up on this project as I speak. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen. So we've got Oh My God here, a project that even Vitalik Buterin holds. He's got around $130,000 worth of Oh My God or OMG in his portfolio. And this is why it doesn't matter. 2018, this project saw a 98% correction, and we know how big this project is. Following bear market, you know, accumulation phase, everything's dead, crypto's a scam, blah-de-blah-de-da, you know the drill. We saw a 5,400% increase. Guys, 5,400% increase. What if the $100 or $1,000 today you put potentially into this DeFi coin project also sees something like this occur. And this is why when I see big corrections, I do get bullish. If the team is here to stay and there's longevity attached, then that makes me bullish. If it's a rug pull project, I'm not interested. But if there is really a roadmap, a tangible team behind the project, then I'm going to be bullish. And this is exactly why projects that have real teams behind them do succeed. Now we're seeing Oh My God come down, just to $3.50. So we're seeing a much lower correction because there's so much more strength in the market, 80%. That could definitely happen with this particular DeFi project too. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to share with you. So this is basically the price action at the moment. We've come up from 0.09 to $0.32 in the last few days. The volume is coming in. It's looking super good, making me really excited and bullish to see that 235% plus mark already. So I'm not saying to FOMO in or anything, but this is a project that is probably going to keep on moving forward. And this is also the staking section on the DeFi swap part of the website. Very exciting. You can find that on the website actually just at the top on the stake DeFi section. It will take us directly through so we can have a little look. All you need to do is connect a MetaMask wallet. It could be a Trust wallet or something else. Hopefully it's going to work because my internet's playing up a little bit right now. There we go. So what's really exciting about this particular project is under the staking element, of course, you can view the contract. You can enter how much DEFC you want to stake and approve. But we have these different tiers here on the right hand side. We've got Platinum Package, 75% API, lock-in for a single year. We've got Gold at 60%, half a year. We've got Silver at 45% with a 90-day lock-in. We also have Bronze with 30% and a 30-day lock-in. So this really excites me. I might even participate with the staking side of things because I do believe in the vision of this particular project as well. Another really nice thing is that we have a tangible team as well. The Defy Coin's leadership team have nearly 35 years of crypto experience between them, so they are a great bunch of guys and girls that really know what they're doing, and they've got the experience, they've got the resources to push the project into the right places, especially with the PR and the marketing side of things as well. Twitter page just slowly growing, but that's always nice to see. You want to get in early on these projects as well. They already did a $5,000 giveaway as well once in the past, and at the moment they've just shared some exciting news about manual burning, which is very important. We want to see burning with the supply of tokens as well, especially these DeFi projects. So that's certainly going to earn its place as number one for me, because that excites me a lot when I see a low market cap project just suddenly bloom and come to life out of nowhere. I think that's beautiful to see. If you want to get some of Defy Coin today, and it does sound like a bit of you, all you need to do is head over to their website, defycoins.io, and all you need to basically do is just literally buy on PancakeSwap, Bitmart, or DeFi Swap itself. I mean, personally, if you want to do it on PancakeSwap, it's super easy. I can just show you right here. You're going to go through to the website. I usually take the contract address from the URL, but actually all you need to do is just simply click on trade section. It will take you through to the trading page of PancakeSwap Decentralized Exchange. And you can see it's already put through for you DEFC. And usually the way you would do this is just paste in the contract address, and we can see it's already added on my listing here. The other methods are still very easy. You can buy on Bitmart Exchange, really nice and easy, or you can buy on DeFi Swap as well. The next thing we're going to look at after this is coin number 2, but I just want to show you that it is pumping at the moment on Bitmart. It's pretty much going parabolic. We're sitting at 0.35 right now, so lots of volume, lots of eyes are already on this project. Maybe there could be a small pullback in the meantime, but I do think this is going to pump massively over the next few weeks and months. So let's see what happens. Project number 2 is Kyber Network. Why Kyber Network? Well, when we look at the retrospective data, historically, year to date, we come all the way down from $5.56, and I see it looks like we've found a bit of a floor price. Maybe we're ready to make the next impulse to the upside. We currently have a rather low market cap of 624 million, and we know in the crypto world it's very easy to see a $5 to $50 billion market capitalization. So that's why I'm quite bullish on this particular project. Also, the fully diluted market cap is basically the same as the circulating market cap at the moment as well. So there's going to be no massive influx of supply or anything like that. Kyber Network basically trade tokens at the best rates in DeFi. Kyber Network is a multi-chain crypto trading and liquidity hub that connects liquidity from different sources to enable trades at the best rates. We can see total trading volume 7 billion plus. TVL is 134 million as well. Max APR 213%. So you can do lots of swapping, earning, staking, and lots of DeFi things on this particular platform. There's also over 20 1,000 different projects too. So we're looking at the price, and again, it's a big correction that we've had already, but these corrections do just get me ever so bullish when we see a 44% correction from that particular market cycle top. When we look at the Fib retracement as well, we can see that we've come down to the 0.5, so there might be a little bit of space to come down lower, but I think this is potentially a good area to look at, especially if we look at the more recent impulse here where we come down just below the 0.5. So maybe we're anticipating a pump to the upside. Fib extension would tell us that we could see a $6.50, $6.80, $7.40 Kyber network coin over the next few months leading into the next years. I think definitely one to keep your eye on, because this is holding its value very nicely and there isn't too much volatility, which could suggest that a lot of people are just simply holding, accumulating, as opposed to actually liquidating their positions or having disbelief in the project. So great team, great project. Keep an eye on this one as well. Next one is going to be one of the blue chips, guys. It's got to be Ethereum. Well, why? Because Ethereum is like the tip of the spearhead of all the altcoins. Really, it just powers everything. I think it's absolutely incredible. I've loved this project for years, and you know, layer one infrastructure as well. I love all of those too, but Ethereum is just my favorite proof of stake. Now, let's have a look at what's happened with the price firstly. Well, interestingly enough, it's held its value incredibly well from the beginning of the bull market. We actually just came down at most between the 0.5 and 618 Fibonacci retracement, and now we've surged back up. When we look at the particular Fib extension here, take the swing high to low, we're just sitting around the 0.382 resistance. We're sitting in a descending channel at the moment. I do anticipate that we're going to break out to around £2,476, which will take us to around $3,100 in the very short term. We're back above the 20-day moving average, and we're also trying to break back through that bull market support band, which will flip the sentiment to bullish very quickly. Why else am I extremely bullish? Well, we have the triple halving event. The migration to proof of stake will redirect block rewards from mining facilities to long-term holders of Ethereum's native token. At this time, block rewards will be cut from 12,800 ETH to 1,280 ETH per day. This will mean the annual inflation of ETH will be cut from 4.3% annually to 0.43%, which is going to be considerably less than the amount of ETH that is burnt. In fact, it's just going to make it fully deflationary. So this means that the supply goes down over time, making it more scarce, giving it more of a digital scarcity such as Bitcoin. So that's one thing to also consider, that Ethereum could actually hit $10,000 plus, just because we are seeing basically a triple halving event come up. If we also scroll down a little bit, we can get a bit of an Ethereum 2.0 roadmap. Q2 2022, we've got the merge, proof of work, proof of stake. We've got the network electrical consumption reduced 99% plus. That's amazing. Triple halving supply, that means 4.3% going to go to 0.43%. Not enough people were talking about this. Stake token unlock, 9 million ETH released. Then we have also the surge as well, which is Q1 2023, and then the rest as well 2023 onwards. So it's just going to keep on growing more and more and more, which is super exciting. I think Ethereum, if we look at the current price of Ethereum right now, you know, where could we assume it's going to go to? What happened with this particular first correction here? We came up to our 1.272 on the Fib extension. Now, if we were to do something similar at the 1.272, it gives us a target of £4,140, which is probably around $5,000, and it could very well happen. It could very well happen. But of course, right now we're waiting for Bitcoin to decide what it wants to do. Very bullish for these three projects, guys. If you like this sort of content, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Head over to my Twitter as well if you want to participate in the giveaway here for $100. All you got to do is basically head over, comment down below, and also just enter on the Twitter. One thing I'd love it to do is to check out the DEFC website. I'll leave that down in the description below. If you want to also grab some Kyber or Ethereum today, I'll leave a link at the top for you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, suggest anything you want to see in the future. Much love from Jake. Take care now, guys.